In a world where new ideas meet big goals and financial backing drives progress, we brought together some of the top minds and industry leaders at our annual Capital Raising Titans event. The remarkable success of this event was made possible by the expertise and commitment of our esteemed speakers. We want to express our deepest gratitude to Ken Newman, with over $4 billion raised, Dave Zook, with over $800 million raised, Brandon Rooks, with over $100 million raised, Rob Seacrest, with over $500 million raised, Ray DeWitt, with over $100 million raised, James Felds, with over $500 million raised, Justice Parmar, with over $500 million raised, Andrew Dude, with over $100 million raised, Chip Perkins, with over $7 billion raised, John Abbott, with over $20 billion raised, Dave Miller, with over $9.95 billion raised, Greg Downey, with over $200 million raised, Cynthia Dempsey, with over $500 million raised, Ben Friedman, with over $1 billion raised, Brett Swartz, with over $140 million raised, Michael Friedman, with over $800 million raised, Jonathan Patton, with over $300 million raised, Dieter Kondak, with over $150 million raised, Dean Delisle, with over $1 billion raised. We hope to have you on stage again soon. To our attendees, thank you for being a part of this vibrant community. We hope the connections made, the insights gained, and the collaborations sparked here will help shape the future of all your capital raising endeavors. We'll see you at the next event.